Unscript Manager 7.0 installation setup in Windows 10 operating system using for Photoshop and PageMaker. Installation before setup in system. Windows search box lo virus threat protection enter. First option virus and threat protection option click. Window maximize. Virus threat protection settings window lo manage settings click. Real time protection on offset yes click. Delivered protection left side edge mouse left click. Offset and offset completed. Window close. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo Unscript Manager 7.0 first one folder select open. Fourth and fifth two setup files. Setup PS select mouse right click. Last option properties click. This properties window lo second button compatibility click. Compatibility mode related option. Run the program in compatibility mode for left side box tick mark set mouse left click. Related box service pack 2 display right side down arrow click. Windows XP service pack 3 select second option settings. Third one run the program as an administrator left side box tick mark set. Third button apply click. First button OK click. Next as it is same setup. Second setup file setup TTF select mouse right click. Last option properties click. Second button compatibility select. Compatibility mode section lo run the program in compatibility mode for left side box tick mark set mouse left click. Related box right side down arrow click. Fourth option Windows XP Service Pack 3 select. Second option settings related. Third one run this program as an administrator left side tick mark set. Third button apply click. First button OK click. Setup PS select mouse double click. Setup PS exe window first button yes click. Folder minimize. Welcome to the Unscript Manager Setup Wizard window. First button next click. Select components default all options tick mark set in box. Second button next click. Select start menu folder. Start menu folder newly created folder name Unscript Manager default set. Second button next click. Select additional task. Additional icon desktop shortcut default tick mark set. Second button next click. Ready to install. Second button install click. Installing. Extracting files. Unscript Manager files installation. ASM6 installer window could not open registry. Install these files manual. OK button click. Completing the Unscript Manager setup wizard window second option. No, I will restart the computer later. Left side circle tick mark set mouse left click. Finish click. Create a desktop shortcut Unscript Manager logo. Folder reopen. Second one select mouse double click. Setup ttf.exe window first button yes click. Folder minimize. Welcome to the Unscript Manager Setup Wizard window. First button next click. Select components default set to tick marks. Second button next click. Select start menu folder name Unscript Manager folder name display in box. Second button next click. Select additional task desktop shortcut additional icon. Second button next click. Ready to install. Installation related second button install click. Installing files extracting process start. 310 files again show could not open registry. Manual installation. Skip this. OK button click. Completing the unscript manager setup wizard. Second option. No, I will restart the computer later. Left side circle tick mark set. Finish button click. Folder reopen. Second one. Keyboards folder select open. Unscript manager related different keyboards modules images display. First one Apple keyboard select open. Follow these keys. Folder minimize. Windows search box lo control panel enter. First option control panel click. Control panel window maximize. Right side down arrow click. Second option large icons click. Fonts folder select open. Folder minimize. Unscript folder reopen. Left side this PC option select. First one local disk C select open. First one folder anu sm folder select open. First folder PS fonts select open. Second folder PFM folder select open. Copy these all fonts. Mouse select. Keyboard shortcut key Control A. Press. Mouse right click. Copy option click. Desktop control panel select. Mouse right click. Paste icon click. Cannot install. Don't show for remaining items. Left side box tick mark set. Mouse left click. Close button click. Installing fonts 155. Installation completed. Control panel window minimize. Left side back arrow click. Re-click. Second one TTF folder select open. Copy these all fonts. Select. Mouse left click. Keyboard shortcut key Control A. Press. Mouse right click. Copy option click. Control panel reopen. Mouse right click. Paste icon click. Do this for all current files. Left side box tick mark set. Mouse left click. First button yes click. Installing fonts. Same 155 fonts installation process start. Wait and here few minutes. Mouse right click. Refresh. Click. Control panel window close. Anu SM folder close. Desktop unscript manager shortcut select. Mouse right click. Open file location second option click. KB7 file select. Mouse right click. Last option properties click. KB7 properties window second button compatibility select. Compatibility mode related option run this program in compatibility mode for left side box tick mark set. Mouse left click. Related box right side down arrow click. Fourth option Windows XP Service Pack 3 select. Settings related options. Third option run the program as an administrator. Left side tick mark set. Third button apply click. First button OK click. Folder close. Unscript manager desktop shortcut select. Mouse double click. kb7.exe window first button yes click. Unscript manager version 7.0 desktop task manager right side display select. Mouse right click. First option languages select. Second option Telugu select. Second one Apple click. In case change the another languages next button click. Next second one important Apple keyboard set. In case change preview click. Change the keyboard. Next change again right side next button click. Apple set. First button OK click. Desktop unscript manager task manager display. Desktop Windows search box PageMaker enter. Font style and font name Priyanka bold. Font size 40. Next type Anu. Next enter key press without spelling mistake. Chari Tech Info